When I first heard my diagnosis, I kind of thought it was a death sentence because I had not heard of people being cured of leukemia. And when I knew that I couldn't have a traditional type of transplant, traditional treatment, I thought that there were no other options.
We know that different ethnic groups are underrepresented in clinical trials. It's essential that these ethnic minorities, Hispanics, and African Americans participate so that we can practice the best science. Also, there are some diseases like sickle cell anemia that impact communities of color disproportionately. Therefore, it is important that we participate in these clinical studies so that we can provide the best care to California's diverse population.
They talked a little bit about other types of transplants. I read about the research they were doing and found out about clinical trials that they were doing, and the results were really positive. So I talked to my doctors and told them that was what I wanted to do, and they talked to my insurance, and my insurance was going to cover it. I thought it sounded like a great idea, and I signed up to be the first patient on that trial. Finding out what they were doing with transplants and the active research and the huge leaps they had made, it changed my whole perspective. It suddenly became a realizable goal that I might survive and that I might even thrive. 5 years after the transplant, and I'd been in remission the whole time, they said they considered I was cured. I don't know what I would have done if there hadn't been the opportunity for the clinical trial that I was in. The fact that today I do almost everything that I did before I had cancer is, it's amazing. It's amazing and shocking, and I have to credit it all to the trial that I did. I beat cancer because of the clinical trial. I don't know if I would have had a chance without it.
For more information, visit the CMAFoundation.org, a message from the California Medical Association Foundation.